Hello, today we're making molten Nutella desserts. First, take a fourth cup Nutella, oh look at that oil right there, and then add that into a bowl. You can see a layer of oil on the top, so we're going to mix that real quick. Shake the bowl a little bit so it's nice and smooth on the top, and then cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator. Next, add a half cup all-purpose flour, and then a fourth cup, and then 2 teaspoons of sugar. Add a fourth cup warm water, and then add your yeast and mix that well. Then add the yeast mixture into your flour mixture and mix with a spoon. You may need more water if your dough is dry. You should knead it until it's a kind of sticky consistency, and then mix in a teaspoon of cocoa powder. Knead until well combined and cover and rest for 2 hours. After 2 hours, you're going to take your dough out and definitely sprinkle some flour on the surface you're working on. It's going to be a little sticky. Roll it into this long oval-y shape. And then cut it into little pieces. I cut only 3, but you can just go ahead and cut the rest of your dough. Next, you're going to create a circular shape and then use a rolling pin to help you get a better, more perfect circle shape. It should look like this. And then take your Nutella out from the fridge. See, it's completely solid now. And then take a knife and then make horizontal lines through the Nutella. This should be pretty easy to do. And then cut vertically. And then basically take out 1 or 2 squares depending on how much Nutella you like. I love chocolate, so I put like 4 squares in one. Now you want to take all the sides and then kind of like put them all together so it forms like a Chinese baozi. And then it doesn't really need to look that pretty. Just make sure that the Nutella won't be able to like seep out. And then cut squares of parchment paper. Sprinkle some flour so that it doesn't stick. And then you're ready to go. Steam it for 10-ish minutes. After, it should look like this. And when you cut into it, the Nutella should flow out like lava. This dessert was so fun and easy to make, and if you did not refrigerate your Nutella, good luck. Bye!